Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you an easy way to clean your toilet because ours gets nasty because our boys use it and toilets themselves get nasty. So here's an easy way that you can clean your toilet, and we use and replace our toilet seat cover, and I'll put a link in the description below to how to replace a toilet seat cover. But we bought a Bemis Easy Clean toilet seat that is actually super easy to remove because there gets grime along where the hinges are within the toilet, and you can see the grime that's in there. It drives my wife crazy, and then she always wants me to come in here and clean up after them, and the boys as well. And so she's after us to kind of get things, keep things really clean. And one way we do it is just, this is an easy, clean Bemis toilet seat. You can just unlock it, and you can pull the whole toilet seat off.
Let's do that again.
And it allows us to actually just take some cleaner, spray it in here, wipe this whole piece down. It's always hard to get in there too with dust and the nastiness in between the toilet seat and the back of the water reservoir. So with this one, you can pull the whole thing off. You can clean everything really good, and then it just allows you to get all that grime and those cracks and crevices, and then you can just snap back in your Bemis Easy Clean toilet cover, and you're ready to go again. So your wife will be much happier, you'll be happier because your wife's happier, the happy wife, happy life kind of thing, and then your toilets will be much cleaner. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel, and hope that your toilet is as clean as ours. So if this video has helped you, your wife's happier with you, and you're happier with me because I showed you an easy way to do this and keep your hands a little cleaner. Don't be bashful. Buy me a coffee. Super thanks as always. Welcome.